There are many reasons why you may want to incorporate an effective core training regime into your program, but in this video I'm going to talk to you about one reason that I don't hear very many people talking about, and it's something I've been having a lot of success with in my own training, and it's something that a lot of my clients have been liking as well. So let me tell you about it right now. The problem is that for most people, myself included, when you're doing lower body exercises or full body exercises in the gym, they are extension dominant exercises, if anything. By that I mean that the back extensors are working really hard to hold us into a neutral or slightly arched position. To counteract our back extensors being a little bit too active, what we want to do is find positions that engage our abdominals and put us into a slightly flexed forward position in our back, so a little bit rounded forward. Those positions are going to help re-engage the abs and almost stretch the back out just a little bit. So again, you can walk out the door without being all extended and kind of pumped up in the back. For the past 20 weeks or so, I've been working on building up to a triple bodyweight deadlift with a trap bar or hex bar. And I've also been working on heavy yoke carries and different things that again are really extension dominant exercises. This drill right here has helped my back feel really good throughout the whole process. I have not had any issues at all, be it a little tweak or an injury, or even kind of stiffness or just feeling like my posture's off after the workout. So I strongly recommend, if you do a lot of training in these types of exercises where your back extensors are getting a lot of work, add this in after your training program, and I hope that you, like me, will feel a lot better after you do.